So students, what is the first advantage? Potentiometer is more sensitive. What do you mean by sensitive means? Potentiometer is more sensitive means for small amount of voltage or for small amount of current, the feedback given by the galvanometer is potentiometer is very faster than what? Voltmeter. So sensitivity is very high. Okay. For a small change in current or for small change in voltage, potentiometer will give that indication. Okay, so that's why potentiometer is more sensitive if I compare with the what? Voltmeter. Have you seen voltmeter in the lab? Because most of the times, though there is a flow of current or flow of voltage, the direct sudden changes in voltmeter doesn't happen. We have to tap the voltmeter. That is the disadvantage. So potentiometer is more sensitive than what? Voltmeter. Okay, that is the first advantage. Next, what is the use of potentiometer? If we use potentiometer, we can find potential difference. Okay, we can find EMF of a cell. We can find internal resistance also. The potentiometer is used to find out voltmeter, the potential difference, EMF, and internal resistance of this cell. Okay, of what? Of this cell. But voltmeter can calculate only potential difference. That is what? Voltage. Okay. So using potentiometer, we can find EMF of a cell, internal resistance of a cell, and as well as potential difference between 2 points. Okay. Next, third point, accuracy is more in potentiometer because least count. What is the full form? LC? Least count is what? Very least. Okay, least count is very least. Comparative. What is the least count of scale? You know, you have 15 centimeter scale or 30 centimeter scale. What is the least count? Is 1 millimeter. But if you use vernier caliper, what is the least count of vernier caliper? 0.01. Understood? So 0.01 means what? Vernier caliper is what? More accurate, or accuracy of vernier caliper is more if I compare with the what? Scale. Understood, students? So accuracy is more in what? Potentiometer if I compare with the what? Voltmeter. Okay. Why accuracy means what? Why accuracy is more? Because least count is what? More. Then disadvantages. What are the disadvantages? All of you concentrate. Disadvantages of potentiometer. First, it is not portable. Portable means what? You have seen the circuit diagram of potentiometer. It consists of 4 wires, EMF of a cell, rheostat, batteries. Too many things are connected. Keys also there, wooden box, scale on the wooden box. All those instruments or all those components are on the potentiometer. So it is not easily portable. But what about voltmeter? Have you seen voltmeter in the lab? In the voltmeter, what you observe? Voltmeter is what? Easily portable. You can shift that voltmeter from one place to what? Another place. So potentiometer is not portable. Next, in potentiometer we have to do too many things. We have to first check whether left and right connections, left and right deflection occur or not. Then we have to tap the jockey. Tap the jockey ke baad we have to what? Observe the null deflection. Too many things we have to do in the potentiometer. Then we will get the value. But what about voltmeter? If I use voltmeter to find the measurement of voltage, we can get direct measurement. Means what? Either digital measurement or analog measurement. So direct measurement is not possible. Direct measurement is not possible for potentiometer. Hope so everyone understood. Say yes or no.